Yo, what is up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the art history faces trend on TikTok. So before you go ahead and start recording your actual trend video that you're going to post, what you need to do is do a few things. So I'm going to go out of here, and then you're going to need two filters, and the first filter you're going to need is the shape shifting filter. So type shape shift, also known as, I spelled that wrong, also known as shifting. So once you found shape shift, go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the filter. Then you want to go ahead and add that to your favorites. Then you want to go back, and then in the search bar again, you want to search for green screen. So once you found the filter, go ahead and tap on that one, and then add that to your favorites too. Then you're going to need the sound for this specific TikTok video, and I'll show you what the sound is you need to go ahead and search for and then save. So if I just go back into the TikTok camera, and then I tap on add sound at the top, and then I go to my favorites, it's this one at the top, Arabesque by Debussy. So search that up in the search bar for sounds, and then add that to your favorites too, and then you can get started recording your video. So what you need to do is add the shape shifting filter first. So I'll go to my favorites and look for the shape shifting filter. There it is at the top in the center. I tap on that, and you're also going to need the image that you're going to apply here. So I've left that image within the link in the description. You can go ahead and tap on that and download that image that you can see here on the right hand side in the top row. So go ahead and add that image. It's going to count down from 3, and then it's going to show you which one you get. So I get Impressionism. So once you know that, you can go ahead and, because you're going to get the same one every single time. So you can go out of TikTok real quick, go to Google, and then you can search something like Impressionism art, and then your gender, so I'm men, and then hit search. But you'll just type in whatever one you get, art, and then your gender. You can go to images and then download some images, about 5 or 6 of them, that you're going to add in the green screen portion. But make sure they are sized like this and not too small, otherwise you won't be able to use them. Like this one right here, you won't be able to use. So download the correct sized ones, and then you can go ahead and go back into TikTok. I've already downloaded some. Go ahead and do that again. So go to shapeshift, tap on the image, and then you can record. Okay, so once you've done that part, you can tap on effects at the bottom left hand corner again, go to your favorites and search for the green screen filter. There it is at the top row, the number 1 with that green background with the square and the down arrow. Tap on the green screen, but actually before that, I'm going to start over real quick, and I'm just going to add the sound. So I'm going to add the sound, go to my favorites, tap on the sound, and now tap on the tick mark. That sound has now been added, so I can go ahead and include some of those images that I downloaded from Google, and you can see that one's not the correct size, but I can use this one. And then you can take yourself out of the frame, hit the record button, something like that. Tap on effects again to go to the green screen, and then add another image. So I'll add this one right here. Okay, that one also is too small, so you'll just have to make sure that they correct size. But I'll just add this one again to show you what you do. Take yourself out of the frame again, hit the record button, and you will just go ahead and repeat that process for about 5 or 6 images. And then when you're happy with everything that you've included within your video, so you got the face chart in the beginning, and then you've got these images that pop up after that. When you're happy with that, tap on the tick mark. We've added the sound, as you can see it's playing at the top. You can tap the tick mark and go through the posting process, and then post that onto your TikTok. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.